Welcome back, my name is Tomislav Tomasic, and in this video I'm going to show you how I turned this lovely simple beach bowl. The blank we used is from another video which you might remember, so stay tuned. Now if you remember this bowl blank here, we use this one to test out different bowl gouge grinds. So it's a pity not to use it. I could use it now as a jam chuck or something like that, but let's make a nice bowl out of it. Now this beach is not the best one to scrape, especially here on the end grain. On the side grain it's actually quite okay. So this will be a really quick video how I go about making stuff like this. So bowl gouge, this is 16 mil. This will be an OG outside bowl. That's really not too bad of a curve. Had to recut that because this was sticking way too high. Can round over for the foot here. I'll use a refiner just to get away from the corner here. And there's a little lump here. I'll switch to bowl gouge because I need to hone the scraper, so I won't do that now. There we go, so that's ready for sanding. Okay, so that's nicely done, so I can polish it up. This is pure beeswax that I'm melting on. Rough and finishing style. Fast and furious. Okay, so that's the polishing done. The outside is nicely finished. Yeah, that's looking quite nice. Quick and easy. Turn it around. Now what I've done, not sure how that happened. I've cut the foot just a little bit too small, so fully closed jaws, it won't go out, but it spins in place. So the way I'm going to fix this is, I think one layer of paper towel should do the job. Yeah, that's now tight. Just remove excess paper towel so it doesn't flop around when we spin it. And now we can hollow this out. I'll make a little wider rim here. Again, big ball gouge, 16mm. Slight dome. Let's go with smaller ball gouge. Since it doesn't like to be scraped, this particular piece of timber, we're going to cut it. I'm just removing this excess so I can finish the rim. This is spindle gouge. And now hollowing out with a big ball gouge. Now it would be good to know where is the bottom. I forgot about that, so between these two lines. So one paper towel is not enough. We're going to put another one. Okay, that's good. Just want to double check where the bottom is. Not much deeper than that. I don't like this detail here, so I'm going to change it a bit. Scraper. That feels like a nice curve. Just fix this detail. Still not keen on this. Okay, that's better. And sanding again. With 120. Notice the camera shut off just about as I was polishing the inside. So, but this is it. So lovely OG profile on the outside, slightly smaller foot by accident, and a little wider rim here, and nice inside. So this will be lovely salad bowl or for something like that. So yeah, quick little bowl.